Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by converting each entity into a table. For every entity, create a table and choose a stable primary key. Once done, list each attribute as a column and mark not null for required fields. Include composite attributes as separate columns. Make sure weak entities carry the owner's primary key as a foreign key and include their partial key. You should also document attribute types, now so later steps know how to handle keys, nulls, and uniqueness. Next, focus on relationships. For one-to-many, add the parent's primary key as a foreign key on the child table and enforce referential integrity. For many-to-many, create a junction table with both primary keys as a composite primary key and include relationship attributes there. For one-to-one, decide which side holds the foreign key based on participation or access patterns. Once modeled, normalize the new tables to eliminate redundancy while preserving relationship semantics and constraints. To finish, assign appropriate data types, add primary and foreign key constraints, and create indexes for frequent join columns. This improves performance. Once done, normalize to third normal form unless you intentionally denormalize for performance and document any exceptions. Then validate by running representative queries, insert /update/delete tests, and check cascading rules. If something breaks, first verify FK mappings and data types, then look for missing keys or incorrect cardinality. Fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.